to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got trains and cars and da 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 da. All right, Rodrigo, we're at your friend's house.
We're here?
Yes, we are, Rodrigo. Do you want me to pick you up around, let's say, 6 o'clock?
Okay, but what if I want to stay for dinner?
Rodrigo, you only stay for dinner if you're invited, and in that case, you have his mom call me, okay?
Okay, we're gonna play games, and it's gonna be so fun.
Oh, I bet it will. No playing out in the rain, okay? I don't want you to slip and fall like last time.
But I'm wearing a helmet. I'll be fine.
Rodrigo, you heard me.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of the car now and see my friends.
All right, Rodrigo, have a good time. You call me if you need anything. You tell his mom if you pee your pants again.
I'm not gonna pee. I did that on the way here.
Okay, as long as it wasn't inside his house. Do you need help unbuckling now?
No, I can unbuckle. Okay, goodbye.
They grow up so fast. All right, you big babies. I was told I need to watch you guys. I need to be the parental supervision around here because I'm the most responsible one. Yep, that's right. Supervision. I gotta make sure these rainy day activities run smoothly and without any arguments. By the way, can I stay for dinner? Yes. Get your mom to call Mr. Burns for me. Well, then you call him for me. I'm not allowed to use the phone. Okay. How do you play this game? Huh. Well, honestly, I'm quite puzzled looking at it.
He's Rodrigo. He makes puns, he's really fun, a man of all 9 yards.
It got dark. Oh, it's hide and seek in the dark? Okay, well, cue the second title card. Do, I can't see crap. Do, I don't know where I'm going. Do, I can't see crap. Do, that's a wrap. Oh! No, I'm not okay. I have an irrational fear of the dark. Okay, well, find it fast, please, because I went number 1 on the way here, but I'm gonna have to go number 2 soon. I wanna go home.